of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the Rufous Hummingbird. This is a smaller hummingbird with a thin, straight bill and short wings that don't extend past the tail when folded back. The males are orange-red with dark wings, a white breast, and a shiny red throat. Females are duller with greenish backs and rufous flanks. Rufous hummingbirds are feisty, territorial, and loud. They feed mostly on flower nectar, but also eat insects that they catch in the air and pick off of plants. Rufous hummingbirds have an impressive migration, with almost 4,000 miles between their northernmost breeding grounds in Alaska and wintering spots down in Mexico. These hummers make chip notes and diving display sounds, plus their wings make a loud hum. You can learn more about this bird and 299 other birds in my book, Birds of the Pacific Northwest for Kids. It's available now, so grab a copy. And tune in next week for another